The amazing health benefits of bitter leaf and scent leaf juice. Nature has blessed us with powerful herbs, and two of the most potent are bitter leaf and scent leaf. When combined into a juice, these leaves offer a wealth of health benefits that can transform your well-being in the following ways. 1. Detoxifies the body. Bitter leaf and scent leaf juice act as natural detoxifiers, helping to cleanse the liver, kidneys, and bloodstream from toxins. This improves overall body function and prevents diseases. 2. Regulates blood sugar levels. This herbal juice is beneficial for people with diabetes as it helps lower blood sugar levels naturally, preventing insulin resistance and improving glucose metabolism. 3. Boosts immunity. Rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and essential nutrients, bitter leaf and scent leaf strengthen the immune system, making the body more resistant to infections. 4. Supports heart health. 5. Aids digestion. Both leaves have powerful digestive enzymes that prevent bloating, constipation, and indigestion. They also promote gut health by eliminating harmful bacteria. 6. Enhances liver function. Bitter leaf is known for its liver cleansing properties, while scent leaf protects the liver from damage caused by toxins and infections. 7. Helps with weight loss. Low in calories but packed with nutrients, this juice supports weight management by improving metabolism and reducing appetite. 8. Improves skin health. The antibacterial and antifungal properties help combat skin infections, acne, and rashes, leaving the skin glowing and healthy. 9. Reduces inflammation and pain. Both leaves contain anti-inflammatory compounds that relieve pain caused by arthritis, headaches, and muscle soreness. 10. Treats respiratory issues. Scent leaf is particularly effective in treating coughs, asthma, and bronchitis by clearing mucus and soothing the respiratory tract. 11. Enhances vision. Bitter leaf contains essential nutrients like vitamin A, which improves eyesight and prevents night blindness. 12. Fights malaria and infections. Bitter leaf has been traditionally used to combat malaria, while scent leaf has antibacterial properties that fight infections like typhoid and food poisoning. 13. Improves fertility. Studies suggest that these herbs help boost reproductive health by improving sperm quality in men and regulating menstrual cycles in women. 14. Supports kidney health. The juice helps flush out toxins from the kidneys, reducing the risk of kidney stones and infections. 15. Reduces stress and anxiety. The calming effect of scent leaf helps to relax the nerves, reduce stress levels, and improve sleep quality. How to make bitter leaf and scent leaf juice. The ingredients are a handful of fresh bitter leaves and fresh scent leaves, 1 cup of water, and finally, honey or lemon, which are optional. Preparation. 1. Wash the leaves thoroughly. 2. Blend them with water until smooth. 3. Strain to extract the juice. 4. Add honey or lemon for taste, which is optional. 5. Drink immediately for maximum benefit. In summary, bitter leaf and scent leaf juice is a natural remedy with numerous health benefits. Incorporating it into your diet can help prevent diseases, boost immunity, and promote overall wellness. Try it today and enjoy nature's healing power. That's it, my lovelies. We've come to the end of this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Till I come your way next time, it's goodbye from Naija Foods. See you soon.